Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Emisyahirah binti Muhammad AMIN. I would like to present my final year project, which is Smart Kidney Dialysis and Management System, or SMARTS KiDAM. Why SMARTS KiDAM is proposed? Because we concern on certain problem, which is first is lack of awareness about dietary plan in maintaining good health. Moreover, HUSM before has introduced a new diet plan, but then the new diet plan that introduced is not practical because they are still using orthodox methods to spread the information about the new diet plans. Then we propose the solution to help and solve the problem that face to the kidney failure patient and HUSM. So we provide Smart Kidney Dialysis and Management as alternative platform to HUSM to assist their kidney failure patient in managing their dietary plan and personal treatment, as well as healthcare professional in monitoring their patient. So among the feature provided is food intake, record personal treatment, and make appointment with dietitian. The objective is to provide dietary plan and monitoring healthcare in smart application, to assist professional healthcare in tracking patient medical history and diet plan information, and to perform data analytics on patient current health status and treatment. So this will be their system architecture, which Smart KiDAM is dual system. We have mobile and web-based that require internet, and we have our own server and database. So basically the user in the Smart KiDAM will be three. First of all is admin. Second is healthcare professional, which consists of dietitian and doctor. And lastly is patient. Next, the Smart KiDAM, we divided into 4 modules, which is edit profile, food intake, personal treatment, and appointment. So for personal treatment, inside of personal treatment, we have personal dialysis and urine test. So this overall of the module. So if you can see here, for web-based application is used by the admin and healthcare professional, while the mobile application we specifically designed for the use of patient. So for all the modules are being applied to web-based and mobile application. And the impact benefits to the Smart KiDAM. First of all, Smart KiDAM is an application that's proposed to the HUSM, Hospital of USM, that hopefully able to help healthcare professionals in monitoring their patient by looking to the patient daily records, especially for dietary plan and personal treatment that made at home by the patient. And healthcare professional also can analyze the data of nutrition intake by the patient and act for it. And patient also can plan their diet and help with the accurate information provided in the system. Next, it is useful for healthcare professional for future as references for medical purposes. Next, let's look to the demo of the web-based and the mobile application. For patient, they need to download the Smart KiDAM application. Once they are downloading the application of Smart KiDAM, so they need to log in to the system. So first of all, what they need to is enter the email and password. Once they are registered to the system, they are able to log in to the system. So this will be the interface of homepage of the system. So for first of all profile, they are able to edit the personal info and health info. Okay. Then for the food intake, they are able to view food intake, choose or record the food intake, request for new food to be added in the list. And treatment, for personal treatment, we have personal dialysis and urine test. So for personal dialysis, they are able to view the record and add record. For urine test also, they are able to view the urine test and add new record. While for appointment, patient able to view appointment and book or make for new appointment with doctor or dietitian. Lastly, they able to see the shortcut from the left side, and after that, if they want to exit from the system, just click the logout. Next, let's go to the web application. Web application consists of admin and also healthcare professional. So let's go to the admin website for Smart KiDAM. First of all, admin need to enter or login the system by enter or input their email and password. So for admin, what they can see is the dashboard first, and then from here they can manage the user. So if admin want to choose patient to manage the patient info, so they able to see the interface here. So what they can do is they can add the patient, add new patient, which is they can register for new patient. And for the action, so this will be the list of the patient in the system. So for the action is they able to manage personal and health info, food intake, personal dialysis and urine test, manage appointment and delete patient. So manage personal and health info. Okay, this is the info of the patient and the health info. Okay, then they able to manage food intake. Okay, so food intake, they able to see the intake of the patient, and they able to choose the date, specific date to see. Okay, next is personal dialysis and urine test. So this is the personal dialysis record of the patient and the urine test. Next is the manage appointment. So this is the appointment of the patient, and admin also can delete the patient. Furthermore, admin also can manage dietitian by adding a new dietitian, or to see the other details of the dietitian, which is their personal info, appointment schedule, and also able to delete the dietitian. Same goes to the doctor. So the main part of the admin is other main part is managing the food intake. Okay, for the food part, admin able to see the food list and details. Okay, from the food list, if you can see here, the food list we provide the specific information of the food, and by according to the serve type, we provide the category, weight, energy by calorie, water, protein, fat, and other information. And from the list of the food, we admin able to edit the information, edit and update the information by changing or particular information here. And admin also able to delete the food list. Okay, and also able to search for the specific food. Okay, next, admin able to add new food. So from here, admin can add new food. And food request status is when food are requesting by the patient, the request will be sent to the admin, and this will be the interface of the food request status that will be sent to the admin. So once once admin get the information of the food request, so admin able to approve the request by click to the pending part and add the information of the new food details. Okay, next part for the admin is food set and manage food intake. So for the set food intake information, we classify to the male and female. So from here, we admin able to set the maximum calorie that can be took by the patient for each meal time, for breakfast, morning snack, lunch, evening dinner. While for the serving type, we provide interactive solution to the patient, to the admin, which is admin able to add serve type or prioritize the serve type. Okay, so that is for the admin. Next is dietitian. Dietitian and doctor, they have the same action, so I will show the dietitian only. Okay, this is dietitian. Her name is Nur Sarah Shazlina binti Ali. This is the example part. Okay, so for a dietitian, this will be the interface of dietitian. What dietitian can see, their profile, their own profile, which is the profile they able to edit their profile, and which is the personal info, name, username, password, and other information. And other than that, they can see the patient record. So the patient record is they can see the list of patient, and from the list of patient they able to make some action, which is by looking to the personal and health info, view food intake of the particular patient that is selected, view personal dialysis and urine test, and view appointment. So if they want to manage personal and health info, they able to see the personal info and health info, and also can update and update the information of the patient. Next is by looking the view the food intake. View the food intake of the patient. Can select specific date to be to view personal dialysis and urine test. This for personal dialysis and urine test means that patient are made at home. And lastly is view appointment. Okay. Another feature that provide to the dietitian and doctor is appointment, which is from this they able to see their appointment schedule and make new appointment. So make new appointment will be from a calendar that is available for the dietitian to book for certain slot. If they want to book for 1 July 2020, this is the available slot for the dietitian to make appointment with patient. So that's all for dietitian. Alright, that's all from me. Thank you for watching.